going on the ultimate night market street food tour here at Jodd Fairs in Bangkok, Thailand. I hope you brought your appetite because we're going to be trying some delicious food.
It's a 2-minute walk from the Prarama 9 MRT station. It is also right next to the Central Plaza 9 mall. And also it is open from 11 a.m. to midnight. So we're gonna be spending the evening here. Do come along with us because we have a lot of things to eat and experiences to share with you guys.
This market is bustling with people, and not only people, they have about 600 vendors. It's a beautiful night, everyone's out enjoying, and I'm so glad we made it here. But it's so massive, so now the question remains, do I go right or left?
Going right. So guys, legend has it, if you go right, you have yummy goodness in your future. So let's go ahead and find out what we can find. So we're gonna be trying out fried bananas today. Let's see how it goes. 50 baht. Yes, please. So it says 50 baht per set. So I guess it's gonna be the whole thing. Just enough to fill us up for the entire night. Open cup. Just dish the stick. Sesame seeds. Got a little bit of batter on it. So let's see. Hot. Very hot. It's got a nice balance of banana taste and it's freaking hot right now. Should give it a try. You want to give it a try?
Fried plantains. This is 50 baht for the whole bag. It's a big bag. I think it has sesame seeds on it. And looks nice. Let's see if it's soft or crunchy. It's not as sweet as I expected, which I'm pretty much used to, but it's still good. I love the crunch. This is such a huge market, and just walking around alone, this is a great snack if you're going to be here. Delicious. It's just so overwhelming. There's so many people, so many different types of food. So I'm loving everything that I see, but it's like, you know, when you have too many options and you just don't know what to pick. That's what's happening to me right now. We're seeing a lot of grilled fish, which is a Fijian delicacy, but we have it all over here in a bunch of stalls, so that's cool to see.
So seems like about 2/3 of this place is food stalls and 1/3 clothing accessories. But seems like everybody here with us is here for the food.
And the prawn is welcoming us to Thailand. Just one ticket. We are getting the fried squid eggs. This is our very first time, and I'm excited but simultaneously nervous. So let's see how this goes. She's actually cutting up the squid right now, and this is on a bed of lettuce or cabbage. Oh, right. Okay, let's do this. Sure, yes. This was 60 baht, fried squid eggs. Let's see how it is. Guys, I was not expecting this. I was actually expecting, if I can show you, you see these little frying things? They usually fry the stuff with the eggs in it, so that's what I thought I was getting. But then in actuality, it was, I think the squid is already fried, and then they just pour, like if you want it spicy, they pour the chili salt mixture over top, and it's on top of a bed of cabbage, I think. So I wasn't expecting it, but I had already ordered it. Now, who cares? Let's just be adventurous and try it and see how it is. So this is going to be my first bite. Oh, good God. Oh, I'm so scared. I'll just have this squid first. It's not bad. I love the texture, and I love the Thai chili sauce over it. And it is fried, but it's still like a bit chewy. So I like it. Worth the 60 baht, in my opinion. Cheers!
Get double the goodness. Nice and chewy. Loving the lettuce at the bottom, though I got a little bit of it. It's good, it's good. It's not as spicy as I anticipated, so it's good. Squid Games is real. Check out the oysters.
Taking a little break from all the food and food stalls. Now we are about to check out what else there is. I do see a lot of vintage clothing, which I personally love, and we have accessories. There's straw bags that I see, shoes. I mean, let me show you some of the things that I'm really liking. This is definitely my type of t-shirt. The weekend. If I didn't have so many, I would just buy one right now, but yeah, I love this shirt. I have to say this, what I really love about Thai people is that they're very friendly. They're always saying hello to you, and they always have a smile if they don't have a mask on. But I must admit, I love the Thai people. We both do, right?
Yes.
If you're tired from all the walking, exploring, and eating, you could just take a seat right in the very entrance, by the near entrance of the market, and enjoy some free entertainment.
We're gonna get the grilled shrimp with cheese, so Let's getting started on making it, so let's see how it goes.
So we have 5 pieces of shrimp, and it seems like there's some sort of batter. I'm not quite sure what it is that she is putting on. I don't know if it has turmeric in it or something like that, but it is yellow. But I guess we'll find out once it's done. Wow, I can't believe she put a torch to that. So she's put a torch all over the shrimp with cheese all over top. I think that's what makes this dish delicious. I think that's mayo and more. Wow. Ooh. Oh. Little sauce here. We'll see what that's about.
So we just got the flaming grilled shrimp from Mr. Shell's. Right across Mr. Shell's is gonna be a big Best Bear, and we'll grab some passion fruit juice. Passion fruit? No more? Oh. Coming back. Woo! Passion fruit. It's got all the yummy goodness in here. So should I try it or no? Later? It's actually cold pressed. It's cold pressed, 100% organic. 40 baht. If you buy 3, it's 100 baht. 3 for 100. Good discount. Not a bad deal. So let's see. Really good. Yeah. Really good.
So the next thing we got was the grilled shrimp with cheese. It is super cheesy. We just saw her make it. She put the torch all over it. It's fully loaded with spices. I think there's paprika in here. There's garlic powder. There's some herbs over top. There's mayonnaise. And she also gave us a little thing of, I think, chili, green chili. So let's dig in and see how this tastes. I'm definitely going to dip this into the chili because I love my chili. And I'm going to get the first shrimp and see how it tastes.
Pretty cheesy.
That's a lot of cheese, guys.
I think we got a little bit still left.
Oh my god. Am I good?
One to the left a little bit.
Am I good?
And you are good.
Oh my god. It is extremely cheesy. I think it's mozzarella cheese. The cheese is overtaking the shrimp. And there's a lot of mayo. It has a little sweetness. I'm not sure the last sauce. I thought it was a sriracha sauce, but I think it's like a sweet mayo sauce. So that's really good. The smokiness is coming out. And as you can see, I love the charred. I love all my meats and seafood charred, so that's a really good thing for me. So I like it. Overall, I wish that it had less cheese, but we chose the grilled shrimp with cheese, so I like it.
Super cheesy.
Super cheesy. Your turn.
So the passion fruit juice was super awesome. I'm gonna go grab some, what's it called, that strawberry. I'll be right back. Across the neighbors. So came back with some kiwi. They ran out of strawberry. Yeah.
I think kiwi.
But really nice people across the street. Told me not to forget the straws. You know, appreciate that. Very hospitable. That's one thing I like about Thai people. Very hospitable. Always got a smile to their faces. Yeah, I don't know. It's just a good feeling. So got some kiwi goodness in here. Good. Nice So let's give this a try. Grilled shrimp with cheese. You are not kidding. Cheesy but nice smoky taste to it. I would recommend, yeah. I'll probably grab two if anything. I don't know, yeah. But not a person for shrimp tail. So she'll take it out. It is the organic weekend market. It's open from 1700 to 2300 hours till 11 o'clock. So we did not know about this. It's right next to the Jodd Fair. Decided to come check it out. I thought it's going to be part of the same thing, but it's not.
And you guys could also let us know if this is just like seasonal or does it happen like every weekend. So we're not sure, so let us know in the comments down below.
The good thing about this place, guys, is the transportation variety. So first of all, you can take the MRT up to the Phra Ram 9 station, or you can take a tuk-tuk or a taxi service. So you got them available all over the place. So easy to get to and from.
Thank you for coming on our first street food tour here at Jodd Fairs in Bangkok, Thailand. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It would mean the world to us. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.